This is the elevator at the Bella Vista condominiums in Ocean City, Maryland. It's a Delaware elevator with GL buttons. And it's big. And it's scenic as well. Let's go up to 7. And look outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 7. Yep, big, alright. Get our cab view first. I like this cab. It's so big. I love it too. Certificates right there. Emergency phone button, and the capacity is 4,000 pounds. I like it sticking to so much. 6, 5. Looks like we got people coming. 4, 3, 2, 1. That is ground. Make it for me. Not again. Thanks for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to subscribe, click on this tab. For more videos, click either one of them.